Hi, I'm Dippin, a technology enthusiast and a designer. As you might have known by now, that Facebook is now called Meta, and building its own metaverse around it. But what is this Meta and metaverse? I'll tell you. Let's go back in time. Initially, we had newspapers and magazines as a form of marketing and mass communication. Later, we had radios and televisions for the same. After that, internet has took over and now everyone is dependent on it. With the immense rise of social media, it's been evident that people want validation and escape from the real world. Today, around 82% of urban population uses some kind of social media. Gradually, virtual reality and augmented reality is taking over most of the social media platforms. Today, there are applications like Snapchat, Instagram, etc., where we can use attractive AR filters on our faces to beautify or have fun with it. Looking at these trends, it's been forecasted that future tech is undoubtedly VR and AR. So now, Facebook is working on this VR and AR technology, which is beyond our normal perception. Hence the name Meta, which means beyond, and building up a virtual world called Metaverse, meaning a virtual universe which is almost like living a second life. We just have to wear our VR tech, like this, and sink in the world, where we can do almost anything. Let's dive in to the world of Metaverse. Wow! Look at this place. Amazing, isn't it? Welcome to Metaverse. And this is my avatar inside it. Over here, I can do whatever I want, I can go wherever I want, and buy whatever I want. Want to know how? Let's go. Look, I'm in a business meeting. Now I'm buying some online groceries. Now, I'm inside a movie theater. You can be your own hero and be whatever you want. You can be a superstar and walk on red carpet. Or you can spend some quality time at your favorite beach. You can be a warrior in a battlefield. You can be the king of the ancient pyramids. Or you can be a space traveler of your dreams. You see? You can do much more by sitting in your home itself. It can also be used in medical fields, military applications, government sector, entertainment fields, marketing fields, and much more. The possibilities are endless. We all know that adapting with new technologies with time is inevitable. So we must use it wisely. Virtual spaces must be treated like virtual and should not be mixed with real world. Always remember, anything in excess is very toxic and harmful. As a responsible citizen, let's use these platforms for helping and creating a happy and safe space. I hope you are as excited as I am. See you on the other side. Stay home. Stay safe. Bye.